Hey guys! Creating engaging presentations can be time-consuming and stressful, especially when juggling deadlines and creativity demands. What if you could generate stunning, professional slides effortlessly with just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you top 3 AI-powered tools to create impactful presentations quickly, saving time while delivering polished results. Stay tuned. Without further ado, let's dive in to explore these 3 amazing AI tools.
Welcome to techroot Solutions.
The first in our list is Gamma AI. Go to Google, search for Gamma app, and press enter. Click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Gamma AI, a new medium for presenting ideas powered by AI. It allows you to create beautiful presentations, documents, and websites without the need for design or coding skills. Start inspired every time. Create unlimited presentations, websites, and more in seconds. It provides everything you need to quickly create and refine content with advanced AI. Get help whenever you need it. Meet your AI-powered design partner. Access best-in-class AI for text, images, and search. Apply eye-catching, expert-level designs and layouts. You can quickly rewrite or auto-complete your content. You can design brilliant presentations without coding skills. You can build and share dynamic content effortlessly. Engage with interactive galleries, videos, and embeds. Visualize your data with stunning charts, diagrams, and tables. Jumpstart your project with versatile, pre-made templates. Experience seamless integration and effortless output. Restyle existing content with a click. You can import documents and presentations easily, paste text from any source in seconds, and export unlimited PDF and PPT files instantly. You can easily share your presentation and also publish it. Deliver mobile-friendly content on any screen and track engagement with built-in advanced analytics. You can protect your sensitive files by adding passwords. You can connect and collaborate in real time. Now go to the top and click on Sign up for free. You can log in with your Google account or by using email. I will go with the Google account. You can create your presentation by using 3 methods. Paste your text. You can create notes and outlines or use existing content. Paste your text and AI will generate a presentation for you. Generate with a 1-line prompt. The most popular method, you can generate a presentation in a few seconds with just a 1-line prompt, and Gamma AI will create the presentation for you. This amazing AI tool makes your work easy, and it's also user-friendly. Import your file or paste a URL. You can import files or paste the URL of a website to generate a presentation. You can enhance existing documents, presentations, or web pages. Here are a few questions you need to answer. How do you plan to use Gamma? Choose according to your need. I will select personal use. It's up to you. What kind of work do you do? I will select Creator and click on Continue. Now for demo purposes, I will click on Generate Presentation using a single prompt. Now you need to select what you want to generate, a presentation, web page, or document. It's up to you. I will select Presentation. Next, choose the title and number of slides. I will select 8, then click Default. There are 3 style options: Default, Traditional, and Tall. I will go with Default. Click on the language option where you can select from many languages. I will choose English. Now enter your prompt. For demo purposes, I will type "What is Bitcoin?" and click on Generate Outline. It will take a moment to generate the outline. Wait a while, here is the outline. Wow, it's amazing. You can add or delete slides according to your need. From the settings, you can adjust the amount of text per card, brief, medium, or detailed. I will select Detailed. You can choose the image source from different tools available. You can describe the color, style, and mood of images. Then from the image model, there are different types of image generator models to choose from according to your need. Now click on Generate. Gamma AI will generate your presentation. Wait for a moment while your request is processed, like what you created. If you want to create something else, you can also go to your prompt. This presentation looks amazing. Wow, it looks professional. Here you can see everything in detail about Bitcoin. From the top left corner, you can add a template, add smart layouts and basic blocks. You can also add images, and there are many types of images you can add. You can upload images from your laptop or generate AI images. You can add videos and media from different sources like Gallery, Loom Recording, or YouTube. You can also add embedded apps and web pages, charts, and diagrams. There are many types of charts and diagrams to choose from. You can also add forms and buttons. You can even add comments or reactions to your paragraphs. Now click on Theme. From there, you can change the theme of your presentation. You can also share your presentation with others. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Here you can view the source prompt, logo, color, fonts, and export your presentation. I will click on Export to download it. You can download your presentation as a PDF or PowerPoint file, or export it. Now I want to generate a presentation by pasting text. Here you can paste your content, and you can also write your content here. For demo purposes, I will paste my text about Bitcoin. I want to create a presentation, so I will select Default and press Continue. You can adjust the text content as needed. If everything is fine, click on Continue. Now click on Generate to generate the presentation. Wait a moment for it to be processed. Here is the final result of our presentation. Wow, amazing. Gamma AI makes life easy. If you want to add a card, click on the card. For demo purposes, I will write, "Thanks for watching Techroot Solutions." You can delete text if you want. Now go to the top right corner and click on the three dots to export your presentation. This tool is easy to use. The second in our list is Tenorshare AI Slides. Go to Google and search for ai.tenorshare.com, or simply click the link provided in the description. This is the homepage of Tenorshare, where they offer a variety of services. Now let's click on AI Slides. Tenorshare AI Slides is a free AI-powered presentation maker that helps you create professional slides in just a few minutes using a wide range of free templates. On the homepage of Tenorshare AI Slides, you can create presentations in seconds with their pre-designed templates. It's simple. Tenorshare offers an easy step-by-step process to turn your ideas into fully designed slides instantly. You just need to provide your prompt or text, and Tenorshare will design the slides for you. You can export your presentations as PowerPoint files, PDFs, or images, all completely free to download. What's even more impressive is that Tenorshare AI Slides automatically generates a presentation outline and offers advanced text and language options to make your presentation truly engaging. You can tailor your presentation perfectly to your needs. Now let's explore the tool. At the top of the website, click on Try for free to access the main dashboard. From the top left corner, you can manage generated slides, access your saved documents, and even check the recycle bin. We'll start by entering a single prompt or pasting existing text notes. You can also choose how many slides you need. I'll select 5 slides and set the language to English. Next, you can enter the topic or idea you want to turn into a presentation. For this example, I'll type AI technology and click on Generate Outline. Tenorshare will generate an outline for the slides, and you can add or remove slides based on your specific needs. In the Settings section, you can customize the type of presentation you want to create. I'll choose a professional style presentation since my target audience is customers, but you can adjust this based on your goals. Click on Create Presentation. This might take a moment. Afterward, you'll select a template from the variety available. I'll choose one and click Confirm. And just like that, your presentation is ready. Using Tenorshare's AI tools, we've created a polished, professional presentation in no time. Lastly, to download your presentation, go to the top right corner, click Export, and select your preferred format. I'll choose to export it as a PDF. Try Tenorshare AI Slides for yourself. The third in our list is Edraw Mind. Go to Google and search Edraw Mind, and then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Edraw Mind, a collaborative mind mapping, brainstorming, and outlining tool for everyone. Now I will click on Free Download for Edraw Mind. After the download is complete, open Edraw Mind. This is the homepage of Edraw Mind. Now I will create a presentation. For that purpose, click on Create. Using Edraw Mind, we can create local mind maps, cloud mind maps, task Kanban, note maps, and personal templates. We can also import files. In Edraw Mind, there are AI functions such as AI Slide, AI Painting, inspiration, file analysis, and AI chat. Using these, we can create professional diagrams. Now, for creating a beautiful presentation, click on AI Slides. Here we can see that using Edraw Mind, we can create mind maps, note maps, slides, and pitches. I will click on Slide, and then in the text bar, we can type the topic of our presentation. There are also many given prompts. For demo purposes, we will type "What is Bitcoin?" and press Enter. It takes some time to generate an outline for our presentation, so wait for a while. Here is the outline for our presentation. Wow! Using Edraw Mind, we can generate an amazing outline for our presentation. We can also edit our outline. We can generate slides with original text and smart adaptation. Then click on Select Template. Here, there are many templates. Wow! There are many scenarios and styles available. We can select one and then click on Generate PPT. It takes some time to generate the presentation, so wait patiently. Boom! Here is the final result of our query. Wow, amazing! Edraw Mind has generated a beautiful and stunning presentation. Wow, the presentation looks professional. We can also download our PPT. For that purpose, click on the top left corner on Export. We can export our PPT as graphics, PDF, Word, Excel, slides, and many more formats. There are two export modes, Basic and Advanced. You can select one according to your needs. You can export the PPT as uneditable slides or editable slides. It's up to you. After that, click on Export. It takes time to export, so wait for a while. After the download is complete, open your PPT. Wow! Using Edraw Mind, we can generate professional presentations. Edraw Mind is a more powerful tool and has more features compared to other AI tools. We can also generate a mind map using a PPT. For that purpose, click on Create, and after that, click on File Analysis. Here we can upload the file we want to generate a mind map for. Edraw Mind supports various formats like Word, PPT, Excel, PDF, and more. We will click on Upload. After that, select a file from your system. After selecting the file, press Open. It takes time to upload, so wait patiently. After the upload is complete, click on Start Parsing. Once parsing is complete, here is our parsed file. Now to generate a mind map, click on Mind Map. Wow! Here is our mind map about our presentation. We can understand everything very easily. We can also change the style of our mind map. Click Style and then click on Layout. Here there are many layouts. You can select one, and it instantly appears on the canvas. We can also change the color of the mind map and the font style. We can also change the background color and add numbering to subtopics. After that, we can generate an outline. For that purpose, click on Outline. Here is our outline. Wow! Using Edraw Mind, we can generate a perfect outline in sequence format. We can also change the paper mode, screen width, and background color. After that, if we want to generate a Kanban, click on Kanban. Here is our Kanban. Wow! Using Edraw Mind, we can generate a perfect Kanban. We can also add cards according to our needs. We can change the background color of the Kanban and the card style. Wow! Using Edraw Mind, we can generate presentations, mind maps, outlines, and Kanbans. Edraw Mind is the most powerful AI tool.